here we go. So I want to choose one of these guys to eliminate first. The x's look like they'll, actually anything will work pretty well, but I'll choose to get rid of the x's. So if I use 1 and 3 are the most obvious ones to get rid of the x's. If I just add them, they'll go away. So we got x minus y plus 2z equals negative 3, and negative x plus 2y minus 3z equals 7. If I just add those two equations, x minus x goes away like I planned. Negative y plus 2y is y, 2z minus 3z is minus z, and that equals 4. Great. Now I've gone from 3 variables to 2 variables, but I need to get another 2 variables. I need 2 equations. So I need another equation, so back to the drawing board, pick another 2 equations and eliminate the same variable. Even though you're kind of looking and you go, oh look, now I can eliminate the y's. That will make you go in circles. If you chose to eliminate the x in the first one, I'll eliminate the x again. So I'm going to use the second and the third equation and multiply the third equation by a 2, and add it to that one. So I'll keep the second row the same, 2x plus y minus c equals 0, and I'll do 2 times equation 3. So negative 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals 14. Adding those, the x's go away like I planned. Y plus 4y is 5y. Negative z minus 7z minus 6z is negative 7z, and that is 14. What I've successfully done is now I have 2 equations with 2 unknowns, and this seems a lot more familiar. All I need to do now is just a normal elimination. If I were to multiply this guy by a negative 5 and add him to that, I would get rid of the y's. So I want this guy times a negative 5, so that'll be negative 5y plus 5z equals minus 20. Leave this row the same. So now when I add these, the y's go away like I planned. 5z minus 7z is negative 2z, and this will equal negative 6. Dividing, I get z is 3. Woohoo! Got one. So now, to figure out the rest, we go backwards. Plug this into one of the equations you just used, one of those ones with 2 variables. So any of the equations you wrote are true, so you can plug it into any one. This one here was the simplest, this y minus c equals 4. And so we have y minus 3 equals 4, so y is 7. Wonderful. So you used one with the 2 variables. Now you can go all the way back up to one of these guys to figure out the third variable. So if I plug everything I want into this first equation here, I'll get x minus 7 plus 2 times 3 is 6 equals negative 3. So y minus 1 equals negative 3, so y is a negative 2. Crud. What did x. That mutated. Sorry, that was an x. That's an x. So x is negative 2. So we've got x is negative 2, y is 7, z is 3. Just making sure you're awake. Negative 2, z, and 3. Negative 2, 7, and 3. You can put all those back into one of the original guys, any one of those, and it will work. It's very nice to be able to check your answer, so try it. It should work.